Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here. Thanks for clicking on today's video. We're talking all about kidney health, something super important for overall wellness. Now, we're going to be diving into the top 3 fruits you can incorporate into your morning routine to give your kidneys some love. We're talking detox, we're talking about combating chronic kidney disease, all that good stuff. But before we get started, just a friendly reminder. I'm a doctor, yes, but this video is not a replacement for personalized medical advice. What we're discussing today is for informational purposes only. If you have specific concerns about your kidney health, always reach out to your healthcare provider, okay? Alright, let's kick off our list with a fan favorite: strawberries. Who doesn't love a juicy, bright red strawberry, right? But these little berries are more than just a tasty treat. They're packed with nutrients that can seriously benefit your kidneys. First off, strawberries are loaded with antioxidants. We're talking vitamin C, we're talking flavonoids, all these powerful compounds that help fight off those pesky free radicals in your body. Free radicals, if you don't know, are like these little troublemakers that can damage your cells and lead to inflammation. And guess what? Inflammation can really do a number on your kidneys. But that's not all. Strawberries are also naturally low in potassium. This is key for anyone managing chronic kidney disease, or CKD. See, when your kidneys aren't functioning at 100%, they have a harder time removing excess potassium from your blood. This can lead to a condition called hyperkalemia, which can be dangerous. So, incorporating low-potassium fruits like strawberries into your diet can be a game changer. Now you might be wondering, Dr. Mike, how many strawberries are we talking here? Well, a good rule of thumb is to aim for a serving of fruit with breakfast. That's about half a cup of sliced strawberries. You can toss them in your yogurt, add them to your smoothie, or just enjoy them on their own. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, try grilling them for a bit of a smoky flavor. Trust me, grilled strawberries are surprisingly delicious. Next up, we've got another powerhouse group of citrus fruits. We're talking oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes, all those tangy, zesty delights. And let me tell you, they're not just refreshing, they're packed with benefits for your kidneys. One of the key players here is citric acid. Now, citric acid is known for its ability to help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones form when certain substances in your urine, like calcium and oxalate, crystallize and clump together. Ouch, right? But citric acid can actually bind to these substances, making it harder for them to form those painful stones. Citrus fruits are also, you guessed it, high in vitamin C. We talked about the power of vitamin C with strawberries, and the same goes for citrus. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from damage. Plus, citrus fruits can give your hydration levels a boost. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for kidney health. When you're dehydrated, your kidneys have to work harder to filter waste products from your blood. So, starting your day with a glass of water and a side of citrus can be a great way to show your kidneys some love. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, some citrus fruits are pretty tart, and you're right. If you're sensitive to acidity, you can definitely enjoy citrus fruits in moderation. Try adding a squeeze of lemon or lime to your water or tea for a subtle flavor boost. Last but certainly not least, we have the mighty cranberry. These little red berries have a long-standing reputation for supporting urinary tract health, and for good reason. But did you know that cranberries can also be beneficial for your kidneys? Cranberries contain special compounds called proanthocyanidins, or PACs for short. Now, PACs are pretty amazing. They have this unique ability to prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, including your bladder and kidneys. You see, when bacteria hang out in your urinary tract, they can multiply and lead to infections like urinary tract infections or UTIs. And if left untreated, UTIs can sometimes spread to the kidneys, causing more serious problems. So, by helping to prevent UTIs in the first place, cranberries can indirectly support your kidney health. But that's not all. Cranberries are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber, both of which play a role in overall kidney health. Vitamin C, as we've discussed, is a powerful antioxidant. And fiber? Well, fiber helps support healthy digestion, which can indirectly reduce the workload on your kidneys. Now, when it comes to cranberries, you have a few options. You can enjoy them fresh, dried, or as juice. Just be mindful that cranberry juice can be high in sugar, so it's best to choose unsweetened varieties or dilute it with water. So there you have it, folks. 3 amazing fruits that you can easily incorporate into your morning routine to support your kidney health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your well-being. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of nutrition for kidney health. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and take care of those kidneys.